Welcome back to Righteous Food and Robloxed.
Today we are making our version
of tofu tenders
and
stadium french fries.
Yeah,
I'm excited. Let's start by making our gluten-free tenders. For the tenders, you'll need the following: onion powder, chili powder, cumin, paprika, cayenne, black pepper, white pepper, thyme, and salt. Plus, you'll need cornstarch, a large bowl, tongs, a wok. The small saucepan is actually for the garlic butter. And we need some good frying oil. Now, grab a package of non-GMO tofu, cut it open, and let's rinse off the water. Do not press the water out of the tofu. Instead of cutting the tofu, we're going to tear it apart.
So we do this for two reasons. One, when you tear it apart like that, you get a lot of surface area. It helps to absorb more cornstarch, which gives you more of a breaded texture. Also, we tear the tofu because it looks a lot more like a chicken tender, which is more appealing to the little ones. Mix all your spices, herbs, and salt into the cornstarch. Now let's throw it in the cornstarch.
1 for me, 2 for the bowl. 1 for me, 2 for the bowl. Toss to coat all pieces. Leave these to sit and absorb while we prep our stadium fries.
Okay, first of all, let's peel our potatoes, and if you have help, you can get them to peel potatoes with you. That made me nervous. Let's go ahead and let him cut herbs. So when you chop your herbs, make sure you hold your knife properly and watch your fingers. Right there we have chives and we have parsley. This is what you're going to use on top of your potatoes. Now let's slice up our potato into French fry size sticks. Remember that your potatoes, if they're thin, remember the thinner your potato, the faster they cook. Let's also chop a little garlic for our garlic butter. Now let's pour 2 inches of oil, good cooking oil, in a wok. Turn the heat to high, and once it's hot, let's go ahead and drop in our tofu tenders. You want to do one thin layer at a time. When they rise to the top, you can go ahead and take them out, and let's drop some butter and garlic on medium heat in a small saucepan to get that ready for our fries. Now go ahead and remove your tofu tenders and throw in those fries until they're golden brown. Usually this takes about 2 minutes if the oil is nice and hot and you keep a thin layer.
Your garlic butter should be nice and ready by now. Now, to finish and serve, pour yourself your favorite sauce for your tenders on the potatoes. Salt them immediately. Then drizzle some of the garlic butter. Then top with a handful of your fresh chopped herbs.
And while you're enjoying, join Walker for the next few minutes while he walks you through another fun game on Roblox called Banana Eats.
Welcome back to the Roblox section of our show. What we're playing today is called Banana Eats, and the main objective in this game is to hide and survive from the banana. The banana's objective is to eat all the players. Once you've logged into Roblox, let's search for Banana Eats in the search bar at top. There are also puzzles around the maps, and when completed, they reduce the time of the round.
Just to recap, you can use the arrow keys on your computer, or you can use W to move forward, A to move left, D to move right, and S to move backward.
So you've just joined the game. It should have said join game. So you're gonna join the game. You press control to crouch, and you press shift to crouch also. You can crouch to go through stuff at the bottom. So say there was like a little vent thing to go underneath. You could go underneath it, like right here. You could go underneath it. And also, cake is for Run! Okay, you saw that banana. So there will be a banana chasing you. Yes, that's why the game is called Banana Eats. So if you see cake, you can pick it up. Like, pick it up. So just pick this cake up. Oh, no! Hide! So, let me tell you about right here. If it starts turning red, that means banana is near. So you want to hide from banana. Because if the banana eats you too many times, you will lose. So, there are also puzzles in this game. You have to complete the puzzles to be able to escape quicker. So, this puzzle, nobody's tried it yet. So, I'm going to try it. So far, it's kind of easy. They may have died to banana while doing it. So, the puzzles part, yeah, you have to do them so you can escape. The main concept of the game is to hide from the banana and do puzzles to get out.
Okay, come grab. Go ahead.
And banana is near. Because my thing just flashed red, as you could see. And there was the banana.
I've been doing this without filming it for a while.
And there's a banana. Oh no. So you're going to want to actually zoom in for this game. Because it is really hard when it comes to this game. Banana's not around. We can keep doing puzzles. Oh, banana! And you were eaten by banana. Yep.
Oh no!
We will probably play another game.
Like a different one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
So collecting these coins. Oh no, banana's here. I can't talk. Shh, the banana might come. Don't get scared. The banana is not scary. You will be okay. The banana is not too scary. Okay, you were going to want to run about now. And in this game, you can jump. Yes, like most games. But you're still going to want to run really fast. So there's another puzzle here. So I'm going to want to do those puzzles right here. So you want to do it until it gets green. I don't know. I've never done this puzzle before.
Are you stuck there?
I don't know what to do.
Oh no. Well, pause that. You don't want to do that, man. You don't want that on the thing.
Yeah. We should do a different puzzle. So let's go look for a puzzle. Oh, let's not go look for a puzzle. Let's not go look for a puzzle. Let's not. Okay. So as you can see, there was a banana right there. That was kind of scary. I don't know where it went. Okay. I'm scared right now. Okay, so you're gonna, yes, hide from the banana. Do not die to the banana. And you'll be pretty good if you don't die to the banana. But, yeah. So this is another puzzle. You're gonna want to do it until it gets to the green. So, you got that one done. Banana split! Banana split! Whee! Okay. I almost got eaten by the banana. So you're gonna want to just... So you're gonna want to just hide from the banana, like right there. It was right there. And they teamed up on us.
Oh no.
So you're gonna want to time, I'm dead. And I died. Well, we're going to leave it here, guys. If you want to keep playing, you can keep playing. It's fine by me. So now you should have more coins, and you can buy stuff. That's all for today.
Cool. See you next week.
Bye. Wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week for another video of Righteous Food and Robloxed.
Bye.